Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana continues to be, moving sideways a little bit with some slight upside back above $40 US. What we ultimately see here on the chart is currently a series of 1-2 setups. So this is for now bullish. Few levels that definitely need to hold to keep the bullish momentum is, first of all, and that's the imminent level. This level at 37.45, we need to hold this in order to maintain an imminently bullish setup. Even more short term, there's even this level here at 37.95. Yeah, this is the swing low here from the 4th of August, but that's really just the most imminent one. Even more important to hold would be the 34.65, and the most important one in my eyes is the 31.83 level. Yeah, and the higher the wave degree, wave 2 that you break to the downside, the more relevant it is. And if we go below 31.83, then I think we're going to see a lower low, even lower than the price from the 13th of June, which was here the 25.80 level pretty much. So we are currently holding, however, above the 50-day moving average that you can see here coming down in yellow, which is forming a nice round shape and starting to go up slightly as well. So we're currently holding above that level, which is good. It's definitely a good sign. We haven't lost it again. Then we can also see here a series of wave 1, so a series of 5 wave moves to the upside. A wave 1 consists of 5 waves, and we have seen here a 1-2 setup. So the wave 1 is impulsive, going into the direction of the higher level trend, which indicates the trend might have changed to the upside. And the wave 2 is then always correcting this movement, which is normal in an uptrend. Here we had another 1-2 and another 1-2. So 3 1-2 setups, which can imminently be bullish, but we need to hold those wave 2 swing lows. We are in what many would consider a bear flag. Again, in the Bitcoin video and everywhere I am outlining that I wouldn't call this a bear flag. Yeah, you could call it one, but I'm very careful with that at the moment because all these coins have reached their lower price target, so they don't need to go any lower. And I would rather call this a base channel, which is what you would call it from an Elliott wave point of view. And a breakout above the base channel would be evidence for wave 3 price action. Now, as you can see here, wave 1s and 2s are all done. What we now need to see is this wave 3 emerging. So most imminently from the last 1-2 setup, which is the lowest level wave count, we now need to see the wave 3 to start. The target for this wave 3, we can look at that as well. The target for this wave 3 would be at $56 pretty much. That is sort of most imminently what needs to happen now. And in that process, we would then also take out this base channel high resistance. This would only be the wave 3 of the wave 3 of the wave 3. So actually quite bullish, okay? However, what is going on most imminently here? So Solana came down, did even go below the most ideal retracement area for the wave 2. Yeah, you will remember I gave you a key area here for a reversal. Now that's not a problem, we dropped a little bit below that. I always say that these are only the areas where you would expect the reversal with the highest likelihood, and it could very well be that we could have reversed here already, but then we had the issue with the hack of the wallets, so we then we didn't even max out the wave 2. All we did was to go a bit lower on the fib ladder, because this target range in green was just calculated with using the 50% fib retracement and the 61.8. All we did was to extend it a little bit and reverse above the 78.6% fib level. So not a problem. We reversed here in what you would consider a likely reversal area for wave 2, and we are pushing higher. Now we have not yet left the area again. However, we have since then made a series of higher lows. And what we now need to see is imminently a breakout. So we could say if we are in the wave 3 in yellow, you could say we've done a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're now in the wave 3 of the wave 3. So I don't want to make it too complicated and too lower level. But what we now need to see to get some evidence here that indeed we are breaking out is first of all a breakout of this smaller base channel. That is more imminently what we need to do. Again, that is evidence of wave 3 price action. Or you could even draw it, probably more relevant is that one. Yeah, need to get above that level. That level would be at around 41.60. Then we need to get above 42.38. That is a relevant high. We need to get above that while holding obviously these swing lows that I mentioned in the beginning. And then we need to get above, if this is taken out, the next move will need to take us to 46.67, and then more relevant, even 47.69. And if we get above that level, as even more relevant, we take it above the 48.40 level. As soon as we get above 48.40, that is the previous wave 4 high here, then we have a really good chance for a larger rally all the way up to $58. So as you can see, there's a lot of resistance levels along the way here that need to be taken out. Quite a bit of a resistance zone up there, all the way up to 48.42. But yeah, above that level, we can really rally, I think. And that is currently my view about Solana. So it's not looking too bad considering what was going on in the network and the wallets. So it could have been worse. For now, it's just adhering to the bullish wave count, but now the bulls need to start moving to give us some more evidence that we are indeed here in a bullish scenario. Again, the bearish one's still on the table pretty much. Nothing's really off the table, so we still have a 40% probability at the moment to play out a bearish scenario that would assume that we are going to see a lower low, so even lower than 25.80. Okay, and that is my view about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.